What the fuck? Like, what the actual fuck did I just read? So, what the fuck did I just read? The last 2 chapters. What the fuck? It's a great book. It made my gut, jump. It's a thriller. Suspense thriller. And what the fuck did I just read? The ending. 4 stars, 3.5 stars. 3.5 stars. Mainly because I don't read a lot of thriller because I don't like thriller that much, but I thought I'd give this one a go. Why? Colleen Hoover, why? I'm probably gonna have nightmares. I'm not gonna be able to sleep. But if you like thriller, you'll like this. If you like really fucked up shit, go read it. Holy crap. 3 stars. But only because I don't like thriller.